what all things you used to see before buying a brand?
If I will ever invest or if I will ever build, I will anyway focus on those 5 things. We started with 3 things and then we expanded the parameters to saying what is a good brand. So first of all, it's an important distinction to know that there is a business and there is a brand, right? There is a very interesting Arindam's post where you say that 2 ways of building a brand. You build business first and then build a brand later, or you build a brand first and you build a business later.
Got it.
So in a low involvement category like fans, for example, Arindam says that we first build the business, then
Yeah,
business
yeah.
build होते रहेगा तो there will be enough पंखे कि लोग brand eventually बन जाएंगे with reach, right? And the other way, in a very high involvement category, for example, nutrition, you have to build a brand and trust first. Then you can build your business. Now I increasingly feel, at least at an early stage, to identify, you have to pick brands, not businesses. See, what are the 5 things we used to look at? We used to look at growth. Historical growth is a very good determinant of future growth, right? Your how many runs have you scored matters more than how many words you speak, right?
That's
So
right.
actions speak much louder. So, and what type of growth? How has the growth come? Is it on the back of some one-time win? Was it just one-time channel expansion? I think where a lot of these Thrasio acquirers, I think Thrasio-led models failed is they did not go back and looked at what caused that growth, right? So एक तो वो एक problem था कि not everyone looked at the cause of the growth and repeatability of the growth. When you drag in Excel, saying अच्छा ये में 40 कर रहा है अगले साल भी 40 कर लेगा.
नहीं आएगा.
So it was the growth and composition of growth was first learning. Second was profitability. We used to look at that if you are not EBITDA positive, then are you CM2 positive? And are we seeing fixed costs leverage? If fixed cost as the proportion of revenue is coming down, are your marketing efficiency improving, your gross margin improving? So fundamentally, is the health going towards a place where you can have a 10, 12%, 15% EBITDA? Then we used to look at customer experience, product rating, reviews. Very, very deeply, we used to study that to say, is this a brand that customers try? And we used to try our product and we used to give the product to some of our colleagues, family members to say, will you try and will you recommend this product to your family members? If that is the case, then it's usually a good product. And then the last 2 were founder quality or team quality. And the fifth one was eventually teams run the company and founders run the company. So the caliber of that team is important. Last thing we used to look at is defensibility. Is this a low barrier to entry industry or is it a high barrier to entry industry? So the यही था. And I think we tried to apply this framework to all brands. We spoke to 1,000 brands and acquired only 2% of them, which is only 18 brands.